Can sex heal a relationship? It's a profound question, one that touches on the intricate interplay between our emotions, our physical connections, and our capacity to heal and grow together. As you watch these serene landscapes unfold before you, consider the parallels between the rhythms of nature and the dynamics of human intimacy. In a relationship, conflicts can create cracks, moments where trust wavers and connection feels distant. Yet, sexual intimacy has often been described as a bridge, a way to mend what feels broken. But is it truly a cure, or merely a comforting bandage over deeper issues? Nature teaches us resilience and renewal. After a storm, the earth heals itself, plants regrow, rivers find new paths, and life continues. Similarly, some experts suggest that sex can act as a restorative force within a relationship, helping to rebuild closeness and trust. It can serve as a reminder of shared affection, a nonverbal way to reconnect. However, it's important to address the roots of conflict. Like pruning a tree to ensure healthy growth, a relationship requires attention to its foundation. Sexual intimacy alone cannot resolve underlying issues of communication, respect, or understanding. Without addressing these, even the most passionate moments may fail to bring lasting harmony. So, how can couples navigate this delicate balance? The key lies in intention and openness. Intimacy can be a starting point, a way to open the door to deeper conversations. It's about using that connection to foster mutual understanding, to listen, and to be heard. Just as nature thrives on balance, so too does a relationship. Reflecting on this, we see that healing in relationships, like in nature, is a process. It requires patience, effort, and a willingness to nurture. Sexual intimacy can be a part of this process, a way to remind us of what we cherish, to bring us back to a place of unity. But it's not the sole answer. True healing comes from a combination of love, effort, and understanding. As we close, let these images of nature remind us of the beauty of connection and renewal. Relationships, like ecosystems, flourish when tended to with care. So the next time conflict arises, remember that healing is a journey, and within that journey, intimacy may just be one of the many paths leading to growth and harmony.